how to find saved videos in YouTube. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can find all of the videos that you have saved in your YouTube account. So in order to start, the first thing that we're gonna do is simply launch our Facebook application by tapping onto the app icon. And once your YouTube application successfully launches, you will need to click onto your profile picture at the bottom right corner. Now from here you will have this playlists, and in the playlists you will have this watch later. So this is the by default playlist in which people save. So you can simply click here and you will find all of your saved videos in this playlist. Apart from that, if you can't find it here, you can try checking out other playlists as well if you have created any, and you might be able to find them. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.